The Northwest Minnesota Veterans Home Task Force met on Saturday to discuss a plan to place a new facility for veterans in Bemidji. This new building would be on land that Sanford Health has already donated to the cause. As it turns out, a potential joint effort could result in more than one veterans home in the next several years. Our Jackson Bruner has more on Bemidji's plan to work with Montevideo and give war veterans a place to stay.
Both Bemidji and Montevideo hope to bring support to veterans in a more convenient location.
It is still closer, much closer, the Bemidji location, than it would be for them to go to Fargo, for them to go to Fergus Falls.
A bill titled House File 1414 was discussed at Saturday's task force meeting. It would provide funding for veterans homes in both cities.
The idea there will fund the $16 million necessary for the construction for the feds to contribute their 65% of the cost.
Representative Dave Hancock said one of the main goals of this legislation is to keep politics out and focus entirely on the veterans.
The needs of our veterans should be above politics. Unfortunately, politics is very prevalent in any state legislature. It is in ours.
Several of the veterans in attendance at the meeting voiced support for a future veterans home, but showed some concerns about what could be a drawn-out construction timeline.
We're going to definitely need it in the future, but the sooner we can get the building up and operating, the better off we're going to be for everybody.
We now have bills in the committee that might actually go through this time that we've been trying for so many years to get done.
Despite those concerns, it's ensuring that veterans get the proper care that seems to matter most to them.
They have to go so far to get nursing home care. This would make a huge difference.
Both veterans and committee members alike expressed an urgency in securing funding and beginning construction as soon as possible. Jackson Bruner, Lakeland News.
And Representative Hancock said the bill might be presented to the State Government Finance Committee for approval by the end of next week.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.